guys, so today we're going to be looking at something, a major problem. So what does it look like if you have a blown head gasket? Well, there can be a few different things. You could have exhaust coming up out of your radiator with the radiator cap off and the car running. You could have coolant shooting up out of your radiator when you start the car because there could be a leak in the head gasket. And we actually stumbled upon one of those today, so we just wanted to do an illustration. We wanted to turn the car on with one with a bad head gasket and show you what that looks like. Okay, guys, so now other Jordan's sitting in the car. I'm going to have him crank it, and you're going to see what it looks like. So go ahead, crank it. Again. Again. So you saw exhaust come out. Again. Okay, that's good. So you could see there was exhaust coming, and we didn't even have it started up, and it was shooting coolant out. So that is a very good indication of a blown head gasket. And at this point, that's not something we usually do. So we'll just refer her out and send her on. So it's not a good thing. It's never fun to share this with the customer. Like, oh man, your head gasket's blown, especially after we put a new radiator in it. We're going to take the radiator out and, not charge her for that sort of thing. We could have tried. The thing is, though, we did start this car when we got here to make sure, it wasn't locked up or anything. It started up and it sounded great. So we just didn't think to take the radiator cap off and start it. So hopefully this is a learning moment for us and a learning moment for you guys. And you can know to check the same thing too. So that's pretty much it. Other things that would indicate a bad head gasket would be oil mixing with water. Sometimes it can show up on the dipstick. It'll be a milky substance on the end of the dipstick. Sometimes on the oil cap. Well, if you have a little milky substance on the bottom of the oil cap, if it's like crazy milky, that could be a bad head gasket. Sometimes I've seen on Toyotas, it looks like a little milky mixture, but it's just condensation comes up to the top. So that's not really bad. On the dipstick, it is very bad if you see milky substance on the dipstick. Other thing, you can actually see oil in the radiator and in the radiator reservoir as well. So it depends on which way the head gasket or the cylinder head breaks, so depending on where you see all the different signs. But this was a really good example of a sign. It's a very common sign. And so that's it. So again, y'all, I hope this isn't your situation. If it is, best of luck to you. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.